Hello everyone, and welcome back to Auto Luxury, the channel where we celebrate the most fascinating automobiles from history. If you love classic cars, vintage engineering, and automotive legends, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of car enthusiasts. Today, we are taking a journey back to the 1930s to admire one of Italy's most important and beloved automobiles, the Fiat 508 Balilla. The Fiat 508 Balilla was introduced in 1932 and quickly became one of the most successful cars ever produced by Fiat. At a time when automobile ownership was still a dream for many families, the Balilla helped bring affordable transportation to thousands of people across Italy and beyond. It was a car designed with practicality, reliability, and simplicity in mind, yet it carried a charm that continues to attract collectors and enthusiasts nearly a century later. One of the first things people notice about the Fiat 508 Balilla is its elegant appearance. The car perfectly captures the styling trends of the early 1930s. Its upright grille, rounded fenders, large headlamps, and compact proportions create a look that is both sophisticated and friendly. Unlike many luxury automobiles of the era, the Balilla was designed for everyday use, but it still possessed a sense of style that reflected Italian automotive artistry. Performance. Under the hood, the Fiat 508 Balilla featured a small four-cylinder engine that produced around 20 horsepower. While that may seem modest by modern standards, it was more than enough for the roads and driving conditions of its time. The lightweight design allowed the car to perform efficiently, offering dependable transportation while maintaining excellent fuel economy. For many owners, the Balilla represented freedom and mobility in a rapidly changing world. What truly made the Balilla special was its accessibility. Fiat wanted to create a vehicle that ordinary people could afford, and the company succeeded remarkably well. The car quickly became popular among families, small business owners, and young drivers. Its affordability helped expand automobile ownership throughout Italy and contributed significantly to the country's growing automotive culture. The Fiat 508 Balilla was available in several body styles, including sedans, coupes, convertibles, and utility versions. This versatility made it suitable for a wide range of customers. Whether someone needed a comfortable family vehicle or a practical workhorse, there was likely a Balilla model that met their needs. The variety of configurations also helped increase its popularity in international markets. Another reason for the Balilla's success was its mechanical simplicity. Owners appreciated how easy it was to maintain and repair. In an era when professional service centers were not always available, simplicity was a major advantage. The car earned a reputation for durability and dependability, qualities that contributed greatly to its widespread adoption. Despite being designed as an economical vehicle, the Fiat 508 Balilla also found success in motorsports. Various modified versions competed in racing events and endurance competitions, demonstrating the platform's impressive capabilities. These sporting achievements enhanced the car's reputation and showcased Fiat's engineering expertise. It proved that even an affordable automobile could deliver excitement and performance when properly prepared. As the years progressed, Fiat continued refining the Balilla with updated versions and improvements. These enhancements helped keep the model competitive while maintaining the characteristics that customers loved. The car remained one of the company's most important products throughout the decade and became a symbol of practical Italian engineering. Today, the Fiat 508 Balilla holds a special place in automotive history. Collectors around the world admire its timeless design, historical significance, and charming personality. Restored examples frequently appear at classic car shows, where they attract attention from enthusiasts of all ages. Seeing a Balilla in person is like stepping into a living piece of history, offering a glimpse into an era when automobiles were transforming society. Driving a Fiat 508 Balilla today is a unique experience. The controls, sounds, and sensations are completely different from modern vehicles. Every journey becomes an adventure, reminding drivers of a time when motoring required skill, patience, and appreciation. It is this authentic connection to automotive history that makes the Balilla so beloved among vintage car enthusiasts. The legacy of the Fiat 508 Balilla extends far beyond its production numbers. It helped establish Fiat as one of Europe's leading automobile manufacturers and played a crucial role in making personal transportation more accessible. Its influence can still be seen in the philosophy of creating practical, affordable, and reliable vehicles for everyday people. Even after nearly a century, the Balilla remains a symbol of innovation, determination, and elegant simplicity. It reminds us that great automobiles are not always defined by power or luxury. Sometimes, the most important cars are those that change lives, connect communities, and make mobility available to ordinary people. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the Fiat 508 Balilla. We hope you enjoyed learning about this remarkable Italian classic and its lasting impact on the automotive world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Auto Luxury for more stories about legendary automobiles from every era. Until next time, keep your passion for classic cars alive and continue exploring the incredible history of automotive excellence. Did you like this feature?